In this video, I will very quickly show you how to tag existing data collected from the NanoBrook series of light scattering instruments from Brookhaven Instruments using our particle solutions software. So you would choose the data that you want to tag and then simply highlight it and then right click and then choose the label tag measurements option, and you can paste in or type whatever descriptor you want, add that label, and now you will see that tag in the data. And if you have multiple runs collected under one measurement, you might have to expand that out to see those tags for each individual run. So it's quick and simple and easy. And I will remind you, there's also a way to adjust the columns you are viewing by clicking the columns option here in the middle of the screen, and then you can add and subtract whatever columns on your data view that you wish. So there you go. That's how you tag data using the particle solution software.